Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick and easy recipe, sausage chutney with the canned beans. It's a very easy recipe that can be done for your breakfast or for your lunchtime or any time because it is quite delicious though. Firstly, I've got my frying pan on. I'm going to add in a cup of water and I've got the heat on moderate, and then I have about 5 big sausages, but you can use your sausages according to your family member because our family members is quite small, and I'm just using a 5. These are the lamb sausages. So I just put it in to steam out, and after steaming it will come to a fry and then it's done. Okay, while my sausages are frying out, I prepared my ingredients for the chutney. I have a 1/4 cup of oil for braising and a small onions that I grated and a little bit of curry leaf to braise, and then I had 1 large tomato grated. I am making my sausage with the canned beans, so I've got the canned beans cut out, and I have 4 green chillies with a teaspoon of salt, and to garnish I've got my dhania. Okay, now the sausages are fried out, and the reason why I didn't use any oil because the sausages releases their own oil. I take it off, and I'm going to use the same frying pan to braise, so I'll give the frying pan a quick rinse and come back. Okay, now my frying pan is hot. I pour in my 1/4 cup of oil, and then goes in my onions, allow these onions to fry out. Okay, the onions is halfway done, so I add in my curry leaf to fry with and my green chilies. I will let this fry. I'm using a little bit extra green chilies to bring out the hotness. That's the reason why I'm not using masala. My onions are done. I will now put in my tomato. And my salt, and then I'll allow this tomato to cook out. In fact, you can actually do this with the soya sausage, but you don't have to fry out your soya sausage. You can use it direct from frozen into the chutney, and you can do this similar method with Viennas. My tomatoes are now ready. It just needed about 3 minutes, and then I throw in my canned beans. I'll give it a few more minutes and then add in my sausage. Okay, my canned beans is done and I've cut my sausages. You can see I made it into a little bit fancy way. I cut it longish. You can cut it roundish. And I'll give it a stir. And another 2 minutes. The sausage chutney is done. This was one very quick recipe. It took about less than 20 minutes to get done. My sausage chutney is ready. I'm just going to garnish and then I'm ready for dishing it out. There you go, a lovely sausage chutney with canned beans made in a flash and with the hot roti on the side. Enjoy.